Hello, my name's Leanne and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Victorian posy. Right, here I've got my holder, my posy holder. I've implemented by using a heavy vase, so my waist is in there so that I can stand or push my posy holder into it. That's nice and secure. I can then make my design on that. If you've got a clamp stand at home, then even better, or in your shop, then that will work fine, but this is just in case you haven't got something like that. I'm going to start off with a rose in the centre of the design. You don't need to make this too far out. It's quite a shallow design, you don't need it to stick out too far. If you're walking with it, you don't want it standing really far out from you. Remove all the leaves on the design, even those ones sticking up there. And then what you want to do is aim to get this as central as you can to the posy. Then I'm going to use some chrysanthemum and take this circular around my rose, removing any bits that look a bit tatty. And again, short stems coming next to the rose. Keeping it close together so you can't see any oasis through there. Trying to use similar sort of size heads keeps the consistency to the design, and if the flower will let you, then you can remove a few petals to get the desired size. So once you've got all these in, you then want to use your next flower. In my case, I'm going to use some spray carnations. Different flowers are suitable to use. Again, you want to use more hardy flowers, as if they're softer, they will end up going over or crushing on each other. So I'm going to create a tight circle around my chrysanthemums. Making sure I'm pushing them in far enough and using roughly the same sort of size. Move those ones around. So this is my final one to go in to create that circle. You can see it taking shape. Now I'm going to use the chrysanthemum again to do an outer ring. You could use a different flower if you wanted to. You can make all the circles different, or you can just rotate them, do different ones, one chrysanthemum, one spray car, or whatever flower you're deciding to use. Okay, so once you've got all them in, you can't see any oasis around the outside, you're pretty much finished. You could also put in a foliage just to collar that around the outside, or a feather or something like that to finish it. I'm not going to do that here today, but if you wanted to and that worked well, then you could do that to finish it. But that's your Victorian Posy.
Thank you.